tired, but I'm very happy. It has been a great year, great week. It's never easy to win a title, especially when you play against a guy like Fognini that he has been winning like a lot of matches in a row. So I know, I have to be very proud. Last year it was a very difficult year for me, and coming back this year, winning 2 titles. I had done this only once in my life when I was 5 in the world. So now I'm 20 something, and this time I win 2 titles in a row, and there is nearly 4 or 5 months to come. So I'm very, very happy. It's very humid and it's very tough to eat during the week because with all this heat and humidity, it's tough. But anyway, I did a great job. Tomorrow flying home, a couple of days rest, holidays, which I think I deserve it.